Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a quick video to show you this bookshelf we got for our gym. We needed to put something in this awkward space that we have here in this room, and this bookshelf fits perfectly. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the bookshelf, how it looks like, all the details, what I like about it. And also there's one thing that I think you guys should know before you purchase it, and I'm gonna be talking about it by the end of this video. So let me give you a close up. The quality is pretty good for the price. I don't have any complaints there. As you can see, here are the edges. The quality is pretty good, and like I said, we have this in our gym, so we wanted something cheap that looks good, and yeah, that's why I really like this bookshelf. And as I said, we got the 3-tier bookshelf, and we got another one as well. It's the 5-tier bookshelf. It's in our bedroom. That's how much we liked this one. Like I said, it's pretty good for the price. Now let's talk about the one thing I said that you guys should know before you purchase it. But like I said, the quality is really good, and the bookshelf is really sturdy. But as you can see, the wood is a little bit too thin compared to other bookshelves that we've seen. But it's been holding up pretty well. You know, we haven't had any issues, and it works amazingly well for what we need.